Good afternoon, sir. This is my second presentation in this group. The topic is towards non-invasive core body temperature sensing. In this paper, I have learned that they have used novel radiometric technique to develop biomatch antennas, broadband measurement, and forward molding of layered tissues for non-invasive and accurate core temperature monitoring. This approach based on penetration of electromagnetic wave in different depth depending on their frequency and dielectric properties of medium, that they have adapted radiative transfer models successfully. Feasibility has been confirmed through modeling and experimental result. So now, what is electromagnetic waves? Electromagnetic waves is they have three different kind of rays: ultraviolet rays, visible rays, infrared rays, and together called as a thermal radiation. And next come as a introduction part of this paper. The core body temperature is defined as a temperature of blood bathing by the hypothalamus as a part of a brain. Internal core body temperature is inhibited by the compromise between invasive and accuracy. The contact with the body other highly perceived core organs. The companies such as 3M and Draeger have begun offering zero heat flux thermometer. Zero heat flux thermometer do not work at the temperature less than 32 degrees Celsius, which is well within the temperature range of life, namely 18 degrees Celsius to 46 degrees Celsius. The 5-band radio was designed to determine infant brain temperature using a rectangular waveguide antenna. In the clinical case, a radiometer was tested during pediatric surgery with 1 to 2 degrees Celsius error throughout the experiment. Internal thermometer. Internal thermometer such as oral, rectal, and esophageal. Not portable, not convenient for long-term monitoring. Difficult to insert. Indigestible. Telemetric pills measures and while the digestive tract for limited period. Not reusable and they're precise. Surgical inserted thermometer are not non-invasive. External thermometer such as MRI grant high partial temperature resolution but are expensive and not portable. Other active thermometers such as computed tomography, imaging, and ultrasound used for other temperature sensitive parameters such as CT. CT called as a computed tomography and speed of sound. In this paper, the ultra-wide band radiometer for medical application. The ultraviolet band radiometer can be used for medical application in order to retrieve core body temperature. Depending on their frequency and dielectric properties of medium, an ultraviolet band radiometer lower frequency will penetrate deeper while frequency will be more sensitive to surface variation. This results in poor resolution in targeting successive tissues depth, which deteriorates the accuracy of temperature retrieval. Frequency of reported for medical radiometer are high microwave ranges greater than 1 gigahertz. The feasibility of ultra-wide frequency observation that exist 4 is to 1 bandwidth to boost the temperature retrieval. So let's come to the conclusion part. Preliminary result for novel medical radiometer techniques that leverage biomatched antenna, broadband measurement, and forward molding of layered tissue. Feasibility of non-invasive and accurate core temperature monitoring, proof of concept, modeling, and experiment studies confirm. Sir, now I have got an article regarding non-invasive application, the graphene-based sensor in health monitoring. Today, focus of human healthcare has shifted gradually from hospital to communities, families, individual. Tremendous efforts has therefore been devoted towards sensor and device for health monitoring, including chemical physical properties. Graphene is extremely attractive and flexible electronic and sensor. Recent achievements in graphene based sensor for human health monitoring, including both non-invasive wearable sensor and invasive device have been reviewed. The graphene based sensor have been explored to measure a wide range of vital sign and biomarker of human body, which are highly promising for forces future for application in healthcare, personalized preventive medicine, disease treatment, human machine interaction, as well as brain computer interface. Non-invasive wearable sensors are more acceptable and desirable in healthcare applications, such as they are less invasive and reduce risk while maintaining their function and performance. The employment of graphene for functional device in different applications require a close interaction with other functional material. The intrinsic properties of graphene could be easily impacted by this material integration, device fabrication, and processing step. Primary challenges including control, quality, scalability, durability should be resolved before commercially significant device with graphene move forward. And this is the end of this topic. Thank you, sir.